The first question, we converted standard form to vertex form. So you should have 3x squared minus 12x. You group those together, and the plus 2 is out here. You divide by 3, which is your a value. 3 is on the outside, and you are left with x squared minus 4x. Half of 4 is 2. Square it, you get 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so you do a minus 12 on the outside. This factored is x minus 2 squared. Bring down the 3. 2 minus 12 is negative 10. So this is the answer to number 1. Do not put a check if they got it right. If they got it wrong, put an X. If they missed the squared, it's wrong. Put an X. Any questions? Next one. We're going from from vertex to standard. So you write this twice. You can distribute this negative. So this is negative x minus 3 times all of this. This squared is negative x squared minus 3x minus 3x minus 9 plus 5. This is negative x squared. These two are minus 6x. These two are minus 4. This is the answer. If it's wrong, put an X. Can we move on? Next one. Number 3. Your vertex is 0, 5. Your p-value is 1, not a negative 1, because the p-value represents distance. So distance should always be positive. If any of these are wrong, put an X at the blank. Your vertex is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your p-value is 1, and this is facing down because there's a negative sign. So your focus is right here, 1 space away, and your directrix is up here, 1 space away. Your focal length segment is 4. So from the focus, you're going to go left 2 and right 2, and it should go like that. That's how wide it is, 4 spaces. Your focus is at 0, 4. The axis of symmetry is x equals 0. Your directrix is at y equals 6. You have a maximum value at 5. That is your vertex. Your domain is all real numbers, and it should have parentheses on these. Your range is negative infinity first, and then 5 at the top with a bracket. Your y-intercept, the y-intercept is a point, and that is right here at the vertex, 0, 5. Each blank should look exactly like this. If it's not, put an X. If the graph is not correct, put an X. They should not have a point for the directrix. It should be a line. The directrix is a line. The focus is a point. Any questions? All right, next one. This is facing to the right because it's an x equals. Your vertex, the 2 is the x value. This right here, you do the opposite, negative 3. Your p-value is 3 because 4 times 3 gives you this 12. This 12 is the length of the focal segment. So your vertex is at 2, negative 3. Your p-value is 3, so you're going to go right 3 to make the focus and left 3 to do the directrix. And your focal segment is 12, so go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the focus, and down 6. That's how wide your graph should look. So your focus is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 3, thank you. Your axis of symmetry is at y equals negative 3. Your directrix is at x equals negative 1. You do not have a maximum or a minimum because it goes up forever and down forever. Your domain, it goes from positive 2 with the bracket to infinity. The range, the bottom goes down forever and then it goes up forever. So it should look like this with parentheses on both, no brackets. Your y-intercept, it does not touch the y-axis, so this is none. That's fine. Any questions? Yes.
Do you want to count points off if they put something for the 9?
What did they put?
Like x equals something.
No, that's wrong. Put an X. Yes.
How if they put it just a 0?
That's wrong. All right. Next one. We have 3 points in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, y equals ax squared. I'm going to write the standard form. 3 times. This is xy, xy, xy. So I'm going to replace all of the x and y values with those points. So the first point is 2 and 1. So the 2 and the x for the 1s. Next is 5 and you plug in 2's for the x's. Next is 10 and you plug in 3's for the x's. This simplifies to 2 equals a plus b plus c. This one is 5 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. This one is 10 equals 9a plus 3b plus c. Now I'm going to eliminate the c's. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by a -1. That will become -2 equals -a minus b minus c. I'm going to do this top one with the middle one and the top one with the bottom one. Okay, this is the top one multiplied by -1. I'm going to move the bottom one, the middle one right here. And the bottom one right here. When you add these together, the c's cancel on both of them. You're left with 3 equals 3a plus b. And over here, you're left with 8 equals 8a plus 2b. So these are the 2 equations I'm going to use. I'm going to write this equation over here. So 3 equals 3a plus b. And I'm going to cancel out the b's. So I'm going to multiply this by a negative, multiply this bottom one by a -2. So I'm going to get -6 equals -6a minus 2b. So this is what I have now. I multiplied it by -2. So the b's cancel out. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8a minus 6a is 2a. Divide these both by 2. A is equal to 1. The way you find b is we're going to use this equation right here. Erase the a. We just said that a was 1. So subtract 3 from both sides. You get b is 0. Now plug these 2 letters into one of the original problems. So erase a and b, replace it with 1 and 0. You get 2 equals 1 plus c. Subtract 1 from both sides. You get c is equal to 1. So this is the format. ax squared plus bx plus c. Your a value was 1. So you don't have to write the 1. Your b was 0, so this is gone. And your c value was 1. So this is your equation, x squared plus 1. If they do not have x squared plus 1, put an x. Okay, so we have to graph the vertex. The vertex is at -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here. Your directrix, 13 divided by 2 is just 6.5. So I'm going to go, this is 7, so 6.5 will be in the middle. That means the distance between 6.5 and 6 is 0.5. That's your p-value. All right, so your p-value is 0.5. So this is y equals, this is facing down because your directrix is always outside. So 1/4 times the p-value, 0.5. Your x value is a -2, so when it goes in here, it's a +2. And your y value is the +6. So your equation, 4 times 1/2 is 2. All right, this is the answer. It should look exactly the same. All right, if it's wrong, put an X. This is number 7. This is number 7. Your vertex is at 3, -4. Your focus is at 5, so 2 spaces away. Your p-value is 2. Your focus is at 5, -4. That's 2 spaces away, so your p-value is 2. Your focus is always inside, so it faces this way. So it's x equals, since it's horizontal, 1/4 times your p-value, which is 2. The y value, this is y, this is x. Your y value will go in here. Inside the parentheses is always opposite. And then you have your +3. So your final answer should be x equals 1/8, y plus 4 squared plus 3. It should look exactly like this. Any questions? All right, next one. Your focus is at 2, 4, and your directrix is at y equals -2. So your vertex needs to be in the middle. So let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So halfway would just be 3. So this is your vertex right here. So your p-value from here to here is 3, and from here to here is 3. So your p-value is 3. It's facing up. Your vertex is at 2, 1. So your equation, y equals 1 over 4 times 3 is 12. X minus 2 squared plus 1. That is the answer. That's wrong. If they have a negative, that's wrong, guys. There should not be a negative right here. It's facing up, not down. Next one. Here, your vertex is at -1, 1. And it's facing the left. So this is x equals -1 over 4 times the p-value. 1, 2, 3, it's 4 spaces away. So your p-value is 4. So this should be x equals -1 over 16. Okay, your y value is 1. You do the opposite inside the parentheses. So this is a -1. And your x value is -1. So this is your answer. If they're missing any of these, it's wrong. Put an X. That's wrong. Any questions? All right, next one. Your parent function, if they put y equals, that's also fine. It's reflected across the x-axis, so you need a negative. Vertical stretch by 2. It went 2 units down, 5 units to the left, x plus 5. That's the answer. Next one. Y equals or f of x, or whatever letter they chose. They could even choose g of x. Okay, so shift 4 units to the right, so that's x minus 4. It went 5 units up, and it's vertically compressed by a factor of 1/3. That's the answer.